Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn a PLR ebook into a full video course, step by step. We're going to break it down so you can follow along even if you're just starting out. Okay guys, let's get into it. Before we dive into the steps, let's quickly go over what PLR is, just in case you're not too familiar with it. PLR stands for Private Label Rights. It basically means you can take ready-made content like ebooks, articles, or courses, and you're allowed to edit it, rebrand it, and even sell it as if you created it yourself. It's a massive time saver when you want to get products out quickly without spending months writing everything from scratch. Number 1. Find a PLR ebook. The first thing we need to do is find a PLR ebook to work with. One of the easiest and best places to grab PLR products is 𝗣𝗶𝗱𝗁.com. It's got a massive library covering just about every niche you can think of: business, personal development, health, and more. All you need to do is create an account, log in, and start browsing. When you find an ebook that fits the niche or topic you want to create a course about, download it to your computer. This is going to be the foundation of your new course. Number 2. Personalize the ebook using ChatGPT. Once you've downloaded your ebook, the next thing you want to do is personalize it. You don't want it sounding like a cookie-cutter PLR product because, let's face it, people can spot that a mile away. This is where ChatGPT comes in. Now, if you haven't used ChatGPT before, don't worry, it's pretty straightforward. Think of it like having your own personal writing assistant. You give it clear instructions, and it helps you rewrite or create content based on what you ask for. In this case, you want to prompt ChatGPT to rewrite the ebook in a first-person style, making it sound like you're talking directly to the reader. You could say something like, "Hey ChatGPT, can you rewrite this ebook in a friendly, first-person voice so it feels personal and easy to relate to?" ChatGPT will go ahead and transform the tone of the ebook, making it much more engaging. This step is important because it turns a generic ebook into something that feels personal, like you actually wrote it yourself. Number 3. Set up PowerPoint with Copilot. Now that your content sounds more like you, it's time to start building the visual side of your course. We're going to use PowerPoint 365 for this part. Quick heads up though, you will need a Microsoft 365 membership to access Copilot. Here's how to set it up. Open up PowerPoint, go to the Home tab at the top, and look for the Add-in section. Click there, search for Copilot, and add it into PowerPoint. Copilot is great because it saves you a heap of time by generating slides based on your text. Instead of you having to manually design each slide, Copilot can give you a nice starting point which you can tweak to fit your style. Number 4. Create your voiceover with 11 Labs or TTS OpenAI. Next, we need a voiceover to go along with the slides. You have two excellent options for this: 11 Labs or the paid version of TTS OpenAI. Both offer very natural sounding voices that can make your course sound professional and polished. You'll want to pick a voice that matches the style and feel of your course. Whether you want something friendly and conversational or something more serious and professional, you'll find a voice that fits. Once you've chosen your voice, copy the rewritten chapter text and paste it into the voiceover tool. Just make sure to check the word count. If the chapter is too long, you might need to split it into smaller sections. Once you've done that, generate the voiceover and download the audio file. This voiceover is going to become the backbone of your course video. Number 5. Generate slides using Copilot. Now that you have the voiceover ready, it's time to create the slides to match it. Head back over to PowerPoint and use Copilot to generate your slides. Feed it the rewritten content and let it create a slide deck based on the important points. When creating your slides, make sure you're not cramming too much information onto each one. Keep the slides clean and easy to follow. Focus on one main point per slide. And here's a really important tip. Paste the full rewritten text into the notes section at the bottom of each slide. This will make it much easier to sync the slides with the voiceover later when you're recording the presentation. Number 6. Add the voiceover to your slides. Now it's time to combine everything by inserting the voiceover into your PowerPoint presentation. Here's how you do it. Go to the Insert tab at the top of PowerPoint, click on Audio, then choose Audio on my PC. Find the voiceover file you just created and insert it onto the first slide. After inserting the audio, you need to set it up properly. Click on the audio icon, then go to the Playback tab. Set the audio to start automatically. Make sure Play Across Slides is selected so the voiceover continues to play while the slides advance. And don't forget to click Hide during show so the little speaker icon doesn't show up during your presentation. Once you've done that, when you start the slideshow, your voiceover will automatically play across all the slides without any manual clicking. Number 7. Record your presentation. Now that everything's synced up, it's time to actually record the presentation. This is the part where it all comes together and becomes a real video. You have a couple of options here. You can use a free screen recorder like OBS Studio, Loom, or ScreenRec to record the slideshow as it plays. If you have 2 screens, it makes the process even easier because you can have the slideshow on one screen and your recording controls on the other. Just start your screen recorder, play your slideshow, and let it roll. Make sure to advance the slides manually at the right moments if needed, keeping everything in sync with the voiceover. If you want to keep things simple, PowerPoint also has a Record Slideshow feature. You can find it under the Slideshow tab. Using this, you can record the slides and audio directly inside PowerPoint without needing any extra software. It's a little more hands-off, but the quality might not be quite as high as using an external screen recorder. Number 8. Edit and save your video. After you've recorded the presentation, you might want to do a bit of light editing. Nothing too fancy, just trimming the beginning and end to remove any dead air where you were getting ready. Most free screen recorders let you trim video clips pretty easily. Once you're happy with the recording, save the file as an MP4. MP4 is a universal format that's perfect for uploading to course platforms like Teachable, Heights Platform, or even putting it on YouTube if you want to use it for marketing purposes. Number 9. Rinse and repeat for each chapter. Congratulations! You've just created your first course video from a PLR ebook. Now it's just a matter of repeating the same steps for each chapter of the book. Take the next chapter, personalize it with ChatGPT, generate a voiceover, create your slides with Copilot, sync the audio, and record the presentation. Do this chapter by chapter, and before you know it, you'll have a complete, professional video course ready to go. It's actually pretty exciting when you realize how quickly you can build a full course using this method. And once you've done it once, it just gets easier and faster. Now you know exactly how to take a PLR ebook and turn it into a high-quality video course that you can sell, use for list building, or even offer as a bonus to build trust with your audience. It's a fantastic way to create valuable content without having to start everything from scratch.
If you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, want to consider sharing, and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of turning a PLR ebook into a full video course. Also, to let you know that right here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And right here, well, that's an image of my head. Now, if you click on that, you will be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.